Here's how to recharge your Mattel Mauritania balance in less than a minute using a scratch card, without needing an app or website. Recharge balance via keypad. This is the fastest and most common way to top up your balance. Scratch the card. Gently scratch the designated area on the back of the recharge card to reveal the recharge numbers. Dial the code. On your phone, open the dial pad and enter the following code. 111 * recharge number #. For example, if your recharge number is 123456789012334, the code you'll dial is 111 123456789012334 #. After entering the code, press the call button. You'll immediately receive an SMS confirmation stating that the recharge was successful and the balance has been added to your account. If you have any questions about any service on any network, leave us your inquiry in the comments. We are happy to assist you.